Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to publish an Excel file in a post in Padlet. Just open the app and open a Padlet, wait a little bit, and then you will have to click on the plus sign at the bottom of the page to generate a new post. At the bottom of the post you can see some options, but we need something else, so click on the last button with the plus and the number on it, and then select Documents, and now you can browse your device to find an Excel file. Tap on it and then wait until it's been uploaded, and finally click on Publish. That's basically it. I hope it helps.